All right, so find a comfortable space. Sit or lie down in a position that feels relaxed and comfortable for you. If you're comfortable, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. If not, focus your gaze on something in your room or in your environment. Focus with a soft gaze. And begin to invite long, slow, deep breaths into your body. When you inhale, inhale as deeply as you can. And when you get to the top, hold it for a moment. And then exhale, feeling your body relax with each breath. We're going to do a brief body scan, bringing awareness to different areas of your body. As you become aware of these different parts of your body, give them permission to relax and release any tension that might be living there. We're going to start by bringing your attention to your feet and toes, moving up through your body, up to your calves and shins, your knees, your thighs, your quads, your hips, your torso, your sides, your chest, your back, your arms, all the way down to your wrists. Your hands and your fingers. Up to your neck, the back of your head, sides of your head, your face, and the top of your head. Take a deep breath. And on your exhale, give your entire body permission to release or relax. Now imagine yourself in a safe place. This could be a place that you know of in real life, or a place that you've imagined before that brings you feelings of safety. Notice some of the qualities or details of this place that brings you safety. Now in front of you, begin to see a mirror appear in front of you. Notice any details of this mirror beginning to appear. Is it big? Is it small? What are the stylistic characteristics of it? When the mirror is fully formed, gaze into the mirror and understand that this is representative of your past. See the path you've walked to get to where you are now. Notice the challenges you've overcome, the growth you've experienced, and the progress you've made. Feel a sense of pride and accomplishment. Allow any visions or sensations to arise. Begin to notice this mirror starting to disappear, maybe particleize and dissolve. Begin to see another mirror beginning to appear in front of you. Notice this mirror. How is it different in size and style? Is it a different color? Once you can see the mirror in front of you, gaze into the mirror and understand that you are gazing into your future self. Imagine yourself walking along this timeline toward your goals. Visualize your future self, the person you aspire to be. See yourself living the life you desire. Achieving your goals. And embodying the qualities you wish to develop. As you visualize your future self, begin to intend to connect with this future self. Ask this version of yourself any questions you may have. What steps did they take to achieve their goals? What advice do they have for you? Listen for any insights or guidance. Now take a deep breath and visualize yourself stepping into the mirror. See yourself merging with this future version of you. Feel what it's like to have achieved your goals. Notice how you carry yourself, how you interact with others, and how you feel about yourself. Embody these feelings and behaviors in the present moment. Repeat some positive affirmations to yourself, such as, I am capable of achieving my goals. I am proud of how far I've come. I am becoming the person I aspire to be. Take a deep breath and step out of the mirror and back into your safe place. Begin to notice the mirror start to particleize and dissolve. Focus on your breath. Give thanks for your safe place. And begin to bring your attention back to your body. We are going to spend the next couple moments building capacity in your body for what you are bringing into your life in 2024. As you breathe, notice any sensations that are present in your body right now. It could be warmth, coolness, tingling, or any other feeling. Just take a moment to simply observe these sensations without judgment. Now let's focus on an area of your body where you want to build capacity for what you want to accomplish. It could be your heart, your gut, your hands, or any other area that feels relevant to your goal. Breathe deeply and bring your attention to this area of your body and notice any sensations that arise. As you focus on this area of your body, imagine it expanding and becoming more alive. Notice any changes in sensation. Whether it's a feeling of warmth, openness, or vital energy, allow yourself to fully experience these sensations and allow them to grow and intensify. Now imagine that these sensations are directly connected to your goal or what you want to accomplish. Feel how your body is responding to this goal or desired outcome. Notice how it is building capacity in your body to experience, achieve, and sustain it. Notice any feelings of strength, determination, or excitement that might arise. As these feelings build conviction and give you direction. Take a moment to fully embody these feelings in your body. Allow them to fill every cell and fiber of your being. Feel the power and the potential within you, knowing that you have the capacity to accomplish what you desire. As you continue to focus on these sensations and feelings, take a deep breath in. Hold it at the top. And as you exhale, imagine sending this energy and capacity throughout your entire body. Feel it radiating outwards, expanding beyond your physical form. Imagine your aura and your body as an open basket, spacious and ready for the experiences that you're welcoming in. Take a few more moments to simply be present with the sensations and feelings in your body and allow yourself to fully embrace and experience them. Take a long and slow deep breath. When you get to the top, hold it. And as you exhale, bring your full attention back to the present moment, back to the room that you're in, Begin to move your body in ways that feel good to you. Wiggle your toes, fingers, stretch your neck, your shoulders. Open your eyes and return.